Hello and welcome back to Simply Devine Creations. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journal, productivity and anything creative in between. In today's video, I am going to be continuing on with setting up the Christmas spreads for 2020. So this video is actually a part 2, so if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you head over and check that out as well. I'll leave a link in the description box below. But I just had so many Christmas spread ideas this year, I actually had to split them into 2 videos. So the first spread I am setting up is a Christmas menu spread. I kept it fairly simple, and you can customize this to suit whatever your plan is for this year. But the main meals that I really do any baking and cooking, like anything spectacular for, are dinner and dessert. I am more of a dessert specialist, so that's why the dessert box is a little bit bigger. But I just thought this would be a good spread to brain dump any ideas you might have, any recipes, shopping lists, anything like that. And keeping on the food theme, the next spread is a shopping list. Now this could be for food for your Christmas Day meals that you've got planned, or you could use it for gifts that you need to buy, decorations, anything along those lines. Next up is a simple to-do list, so you can keep track of anything and everything you need to do that's related to Christmas and make sure everything actually gets done. Also, I forgot to mention, but like the previous video, all of these spreads are available as printable planner inserts, or you can print them and stick them in your bullet journal, but they're all available on my shop now. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to go check those out if you're interested. The next spread is an outfit planner for Christmas Day. I thought this would be a really good brain dump spread, or you could even cut out and paste images of your inspiration and items of clothing that you're planning on wearing for the day. So the next 2 spreads are probably the most important to me and the ones that I use the most every year, but it's a Christmas Eve planner and a Christmas Day planner. So I kept the layouts fairly similar. I just changed out what each box represented. So on the Christmas Eve planner, I've got schedule, menu and to do. But on the Christmas Day planner, I have schedule, traditions and to do, because I don't need a menu for Christmas Day as I've already done that spread earlier on. Of course, you could customize both of these spreads, change out the titles of each section to suit what you need, but I feel like I definitely get the most use out of these spreads every year, so I definitely recommend including them. And here is a flip through of the final spreads for Christmas this year. Thank you for watching my Christmas spread ideas part 2 video. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you.